Welcome back to AutoVibe, your trusted source for the latest motorcycle updates. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Honda Shine 125R, a bike designed for riders who want reliability, efficiency, and everyday comfort with a modern touch of fresh design and road presence. The 2026 Honda Shine 125R comes with a refreshed and more premium design. Sharper body panels, updated graphics, and a refined front profile give it a confident road presence while still keeping the Shine's familiar, practical appeal for daily commuters. Engine and performance. Powering the Shine 125R is a refined 125 cubic centimeters engine tuned for smooth performance and excellent mileage. The engine delivers strong low and mid-range torque, making city rides effortless, while Honda's trusted engineering ensures low vibrations and long-term durability. Mileage and efficiency. Fuel efficiency remains one of the biggest strengths of the Shine 125R. With improved engine tuning and smart fuel management, the 2026 model is expected to deliver class-leading mileage, making it an ideal choice for cost-conscious riders. Comfort and ride quality. The Shine 125R focuses heavily on rider comfort. A well-cushioned seat, upright riding posture, and a stable suspension setup ensure a fatigue-free experience, even on longer daily commutes or rough urban roads. Features and technology. Honda adds modern touches with a semi-digital instrument cluster, better switchgear quality, and essential safety features. The bike balances technology and simplicity, keeping maintenance easy while offering practical upgrades. Safety and braking. Safety is improved with a reliable braking system and better control at higher speeds. The 2026 Shine 125R is built to inspire confidence in both new and experienced riders during daily use. Final verdict. The 2026 Honda Shine 125R continues Honda's legacy of dependable commuter motorcycles. With a refreshed design, efficient performance, and everyday comfort, it stands out as a smart and practical choice.